I love your house, William. It's so warm and friendly.
Oh, thanks, Sally. We love it. Some old, comfortable furniture around, plenty of books around us too.
It looks like we do a lot of reading, but we don't really. We have no time. The books are antiques, just for decoration.
They do seem like a valuable collection.
Well, they actually smell older than they are, and they're full of dust. Oh, sorry.
Now, would anybody like Vietnamese coffee and a good Italian grappa?
Yes, that sounds like a good combination.
This snack tastes delicious. William, did you make it?
No, it's from a packet. You just add some milk, bacon in the oven. It just looks so attractive on the packet.
You sound just like me. I hate cooking.
You don't like cooking, but you like eating.
Yes, that's the best way.
I read that next century, men will start doing the cooking at home. Luckily, that's not too far away now.
Yes, maybe you should start practicing now.
I feel the need to change this conversation very quickly. Shall we play dominoes after dinner?
Fine, but let's play for money. $10 per game?
Be careful there, Sally. I'm very good at dominoes.
Well, you may be good at dominoes, but mentally, I am stronger.
I can concentrate better than both of you two. You're always off daydreaming instead of concentrating.
Well, let's start. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Bring the grappa to the table. It's half.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.